Good morning, children. Let us begin with a beautiful thought. It's very easy to give example, but it's very difficult to become an example. Let's continue with lesson 12, our need for food. Let's recall what we have studied in the previous videos. Living things need food. Food gives the body strength to work. It helps the body to grow and to repair its wear and tear. Animals search for ready food in nature and eat it. Food of different living things is different. Let's continue with the next topic. We see many differences in what birds eat. Many birds eat grain. Farmers grow variety of cereals and pulses in their fields. You can see a field here in the picture. As the crop becomes ready for harvesting, the ears become full of grains, as you can see here. Birds in the surroundings come in flocks to feed on them. Children, flocks means group. They can destroy the crop. So, how farmers can save their crops? Yes, dear children. For this, farmers set up scarecrows. You can see here in the picture, and use slingshots to save their crops from this damage by birds. Children, many times we see birds near our houses. Birds come in human settlements to find food, that is grains. It is easily possible for birds to find grains in areas where people live. That is why some birds live in such areas. Other birds feed on other kinds of food. Some birds eat grains. Hens eat worms and grains too. Crows eat flesh of dead animals and other decaying matter. Some birds eat fruits of trees. Let us now discuss and learn what small animals eat. Children, we see many small animals around us. Let us see food of small animals here. Bedbugs suck people's blood. Here you can see a bedbug. Ticks suck the blood of cows and buffaloes. House lizards and chameleons eat insects. Caterpillars and some insects nibble at and eat the leaves of plants. They take very small bites of the leaves. Butterflies feed upon the nectar they find in flowers. Children, do you know there are many types of mosquitoes? Most of them suck the sap from the plants. Only a few types of mosquitoes suck our blood. As we discuss, plants too are living things in our previous lessons. So, plants too need food. But plants prepare their own food. Plants cannot move from place to place in search of food. So, from where do you think they get their food? Children, roots of plants absorb water from the soil. Some substances from the soil are dissolved in this water. This water reaches the leaves of plants. There are many tiny pores on the leaves. They are so tiny that we cannot see them with our eyes. Air enters the leaves through these pores. Thus, air and water come together in the leaf. In the presence of sunlight, plants make their own food using the water and the air in the leaves. A plant's food is made in its leaves. That is why leaves are called as food factory of plants. But sunlight is necessary for this process. Children, we have completed the lesson here. Let's revise what we have studied today. We have discussed food of birds. Birds eat variety of food. We also discuss food of small animals and food of plants. With the help of sunlight, plants prepare their own food. Dear children, you have to read the lesson thoroughly to understand it better. Always remember, the entire living world depends on the food prepared by plants. So dear children, see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.